it's Chris Creep.
Maddie Creep.
And we are at the Texas Chainsaw Massacre gas station. This is a place that we visited 2 years ago, and we fell in love with it. Absolutely fell in love with it, and we've been wanting to come back ever since because we spent one night here. And during that time, because this in itself is a filming location, we also got to visit the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house and the original cemetery. So we did all of that in one day, which was kind of nuts. This time we wanted to take 2 days to really just enjoy this and soak it in.
Yep.
So a little background on this place. The father of the owner is also the jack of all trades who takes care of this place, painted everything. We got to have a lovely bonfire with him last night.
We did have a great bonfire with him last night.
Yeah.
As he called it a party.
Yes.
And he's the one who, if you ever come here and you see blood splattered walls, he did all that by hand.
Yes. He painted everything, and he's very proud of his work, that is for sure.
As he should be.
But yeah, so I'm not quite sure when they bought this property. I believe he said it was about 2016 or 17 that he was painting it all.
Yeah.
And I think they might have had the gas station beforehand. I'm honestly not entirely sure. But that's when they started with the cabins. So the gas station itself has been completely refurbished, or would that even be the word? Is it defurbished?
I don't know.
I'm making a joke, a bad joke. But they brought it back to its filming glory. So they literally have it set up on the outside to be exactly down to the bucket, the chairs, everything.
The van, the truck.
Yeah, they even have the original, well, not the original, but it's they replicated the van, but they did everything the same as the film, and it is...
The amount of work that they have put into this is amazing.
It truly is. And not only that, they serve barbecue.
Amazing barbecue.
Amazing barbecue.
There's a great store with tons of awesome horror merch, and on top of all that, they're the most amazing people.
Oh yeah, you can't beat this staff. Like every single one of them are just the kindest, nicest, will talk to you about horror and things and movies. And not only that, they want to accommodate you and make you feel welcome here, and they do probably the best job of any place that we've ever stayed. Hands down. Yeah, the inside of the gas station is a horror store, and not only that, they also do like horror events here. So there is a stage outside. We've taken lots of footage from around the property. We took footage of our room itself, so we're not talking over that stuff, so we definitely want to like fill you in on everything. The cabins, the individual cabins behind it, there you can have like a one bed, or we ended up with a 2-bed because of that's just how it came out to be. Yeah. The booking, we had 2 beds, but no complaints there. Now, with that being said, there is a bathroom that is specifically for whoever stays here. And that thing is awesome. It has showers. There's plenty of footage of that as well, so you'll see what we mean. You'll see what we mean. But it's the cleanest, nicest, and trust me, Dad is very proud of that too. He loved hearing how much we loved that bathroom.
As he should be.
Now, if you do come and visit, you can just come visit the store, take pictures and all of that stuff, and get their amazing barbecue. I highly recommend the brisket sandwich. Oh, and
I recommend the sausage wrap.
Sauce with the spicy sauce.
Yep.
You gotta get the spicy sauce. It creeps up on you. It's not the kind of spice that you can't like handle, but it's there. It's delicious.
Very good.
But you can visit, and they have public restrooms and all of that stuff. They have a seating area out back, and they have a photo op area.
Which all of which you will see.
Yes, all of which you will see, but cannot recommend this place enough.
You never want to.
We are driving to Texas.
Yes.
To the Texas Chainsaw Massacre gas station.
Woo! That's for you, Will.
My darling husband. We missed a turn, so we ended up on a road called Whiskey Bay.
Whiskey Bay, and we are literally driving through the swamp.
Yep, this is what we're driving through. It's not as bad now as it was back there, but this is all swamp.
Area.
All Ooh, I missed that. Hold on, I can probably get a little bit of a shot that way. I think we might be re-entering some form of civilization. You can't really see much of anything, unfortunately. It is raining. Get in, loser. Here, gator, 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 gator. Here, gator, 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 gator. Steak! You suck!
It is believed that the indictment is only one of a series to be handed down as special grand jury investigation. Grave robbing in Texas is this hour's top news story. An informant led officers of the Muerto County Sheriff's Department to a cemetery just outside the small rural Texas community of Newt early this morning. Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art, the remains of a badly decomposed body wired to a large monument. A second body was found in a ditch near the perimeter of the cemetery. Subsequent investigation has revealed at least a dozen empty crypts, and it's feared more will turn up as the probe continues.
We are at the Texas Chainsaw Massacre gas station. We're staying here for the weekend for our anniversary in the cabins. It's very windy. You can see the lovely signs behind us. This is our second trip here. We came here 2 years ago during COVID, and it is a lot busier now than it was then, that is for sure.
Way busier. But directly in front of us is the highway that Gunnar Henson ran down with his chainsaw.
Lo tenía, pero es increíble. Nadie puede resucitar. Quizá robaron su cadáver.